12 signs you're suffering from unhealed trauma. It can be tricky to recognize the signs of unhealed trauma. Most people are not even aware of how their unhealed trauma is causing disruptions in their daily lives. Often, when you go through a traumatic event, there is some degree of dissociation that happens and you may essentially block out all, or part, of the event, so your awareness of the trauma isn't accurate. 12 signs of unhealed trauma. Number 1. Low self-esteem. Studies have shown that patients with PTSD can have very low self-esteem and also have feelings of worthlessness. If you've experienced neglect and abandonment in the past, if you've been hurt by someone you loved, it can lead you down a path of questioning your self-worth and struggling to feel good about yourself. Number 2. Codependency in relationships. Any type of trauma can lead to codependent relationships, in which the person who experienced trauma feels completely and destructively dependent on another. Codependency can lead you to question if you are loved and worthy, if others are and can be available and responsive to you, and if the world is safe for you. Number 3. Fear of being abandoned. Fear of being abandoned is a constant worry for the active codependent. The fear of abandonment can come from many places, but its origin is usually within early experiences. Abandonment is a fear that children have when their parents are too far away, or there must be a separation such as going to school for the first time. In adulthood, having a fear of abandonment may lead to many negative circumstances, such as feeling unworthy of love, staying in a toxic relationship so you won't be alone, feeling grateful for even unhealthy attention from others, feeling insecure and inferior when comparing yourself to others. Number 4. Trouble asking for help. Do you struggle to communicate with others and open up to your friends and family about your trauma? If your trauma was caused by mistreatment, it can be a real struggle for you to ask for help. You would rather stay silent, oppressing all feelings inside than reach out to others for help or support. Number 5. Craving for external validation. How can an unhealthy craving for external validation look like? Not being able to confront people or disagree, changing your thoughts and beliefs because someone else either approves or disapproves, and ascribing your self-worth to the approval of others. Number 6. An innate feeling of shame. Shame is a negative self-judgment and viewing yourself as worthless. However, there are certain types of trauma that are responsible for the slow rise of this emotion, such as traumas caused by sexual violence, intimate partner abuse, and childhood abuse. The reason why these traumas are prime is that they are extremely dehumanizing and humiliating by nature, which is the perfect recipe for shame to form. Number 7. Not being able to tolerate conflict. It makes most of us uncomfortable and often has a negative impact on any relationship. Fortunately, with conscious communication and emotional intelligence, most relationships can survive conflict and thrive through it. If you are a trauma survivor, conflict can be so deregulating and triggering that you will try to avoid it at all costs. This can not only be detrimental to your mental health but can also cause long-term damage to your relationships. Number 8. Worrying about the future. Worrying about the future is one of the most common types of overthinking, where we imagine possible problems or dangers. Of course, anticipating problems or threats in the future is often a good thing to do. But helpful planning is different from unhelpful worry in that worry doesn't actually lead to new information or insights that can be helpful. Number 9. Resisting positive change. Do you feel guilt or shame whenever something good comes into your life? If you feel that you don't deserve anything good in life, that can be another sign of suffering from unhealed trauma. Number 10. Fear of failure. Many people are afraid of failure and it's considered to be normal. However, if you develop a strong fear of failure, it can be unhealthy and can start to outweigh your motivation to succeed. Being afraid to not always be the best can be instilled in you, caused by unresolved trauma that can make you have negative beliefs in yourself and internalize your shortcoming. Number 11. Difficulty standing up for yourself and asserting boundaries. If you have experienced trauma, you may have difficulty actively defending yourself, your desires, and your personal boundaries. Trauma impacts the way you understand and relate to your own boundaries. Experiences that are very painful or overwhelming can flood your awareness, and you may forget that you can say no to others who ask too much of you, don't see or respect your boundaries. When others are pushing and crossing our boundaries, it can cause deep emotional damage, so that you start believing that what you want or need or feel doesn't really matter. Trauma can cause you to replace a healthy sense of your boundaries with a new belief that others are more important than you are, and that you need to keep other people happy and not make a problem. Number 12. Being overtly agreeable. Agreeability seems like the quickest way to win approval. However, if you pretend to agree with someone/something just to keep everyone happy, you're setting yourself and others up for future frustration. Trauma is a disconnective disorder, which means it does not usually get healed in isolation. Therefore, if you really want to heal from your trauma, you need to be connected to others. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Give yourself time to fully heal and be happy.